For homeowners in Hilliard, Florida, safety and peace of mind are essential. Between unpredictable storms, humid weather, and everyday security concerns, your windows play a larger role in protecting your home than you might realize. While older windows may still look intact, they often lack the strength, technology, and durability needed to provide true protection. That's why many Hilliard residents are investing in modern window replacement, not just for better energy efficiency, but also for improved safety and home security. Today's windows are designed with advanced materials and smart engineering to withstand impacts, deter intruders, and protect your family from Florida's elements. Here's how new windows can make your home significantly safer. Stronger glass for better protection. Traditional single-pane windows are vulnerable to breakage, especially during heavy storms or accidental impacts. Modern replacement windows, on the other hand, feature tempered or laminated safety glass that's designed to hold up under pressure. Tempered glass is heat-treated to be up to 4 times stronger than regular glass. When it breaks, it shatters into small, blunt pieces rather than sharp shards, reducing the risk of injury. Laminated glass, commonly used in impact-resistant windows, includes a durable inner layer that keeps the glass intact even if it's cracked or struck by flying debris. For homeowners in Hilliard, where strong winds and coastal weather are common, this type of glass provides essential protection against both storm damage and break-ins. Enhanced home security against intruders. Old or deteriorating windows are one of the weakest points in a home's defense system. Loose locks, warped frames, and thin glass can make it easy for intruders to gain entry. Modern replacement windows are built with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass that make forced entry much more difficult. Additionally, advanced locking mechanisms are designed to be tamper-resistant, giving homeowners confidence that their families and valuables are safe. For added peace of mind, many replacement windows also come with security sensors or can be integrated into smart home systems, allowing you to monitor window access remotely. Improved safety during severe weather. Hilliard's proximity to the Florida coast means residents are no strangers to strong winds and heavy rains. Old or improperly sealed windows can leak, rattle, or even break during severe storms, exposing your home to water damage and flying debris. Modern replacement windows, especially those rated for impact resistance or hurricane protection, are built to withstand high-pressure winds and extreme conditions. Their reinforced frames and secure mounting systems prevent them from blowing out or detaching during storms. Not only do these windows protect your home's structure, but they also help keep your family safe during extreme weather events, offering an extra layer of defense against nature's unpredictability. Better fire safety and emergency access. Window replacement can also improve safety in emergency situations. Newer window designs often feature larger openings and easier to operate mechanisms, allowing for faster exits in case of fire or emergency. Older windows that stick, warp, or are painted shut can make it difficult to escape quickly. With new windows, you'll have peace of mind knowing that every room in your home has a reliable and accessible escape route, a crucial factor for family safety. Reduced risk of accidental injuries. Beyond storm or security threats, modern window replacement enhances everyday safety. Old, brittle glass can easily crack or shatter if accidentally bumped or slammed. Replacement windows with tempered safety glass and sturdy frames minimize these risks, making your home safer for children, pets, and elderly family members. New designs also feature smooth sliding tracks and balanced sashes, eliminating the frustration and potential hazards of sticky or uneven windows that can slam shut unexpectedly. Professional installation ensures maximum protection. Even the most advanced windows won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional window installers in Hilliard ensure that every frame is properly sealed, secured, and aligned to prevent leaks, drafts, and security vulnerabilities. A precise installation means your windows will perform exactly as designed, offering superior resistance to impact, weather, and intrusion. Final thoughts for Hilliard homeowners: replacing old windows is more than an aesthetic upgrade, it's a smart safety investment. With features like impact-resistant glass, reinforced locks, and durable weatherproof frames, modern windows protect your family from storms, intruders, and everyday accidents. When installed by a trusted professional, your new windows will enhance your home's security, improve comfort, and deliver peace of mind for years to come. If you're ready to strengthen your home's defenses and enjoy the added benefits of energy efficiency and beauty, it's time to explore quality window replacement options in Hilliard. Built to keep your home safe, secure, and resilient in every season.